Hi, I'm Angelo Mazzella from the Mobile Shop Company, and with everything going on in the world with the COVID pandemic, my wife, who's a school teacher, has been forced to work online. So we're going to create a little office for her here, a little home classroom, so that she could teach her students online and be able to do everything. So we're going to hang a whiteboard for her, and we're going to be able to do everything with our Mobile Shop tool bag and hammer drive drill. So I have the board up and I have my level out of my tool bag, and I'm just checking to make sure that the whole board is level here. And I'm going to mark my holes. So I have my holes marked. I'm going to do a pilot hole so that way I can insert my wall anchors for when I'm going to screw the board in. So now we have our pilot holes, and we're going to put our anchors, our wall anchors in. And this will allow it to hold the weight properly. And we're tapping it in with our hammer. Again, everything that I'm showing you is inside your Mobile Shop tool bag. So because we're working at home, you have to improvise a little bit. So I have a chair holding up the other end of the board here, and I have it lined up so that way I should be able to get right in here and get my everything started. I'm right into the anchor. And I have my one side started, and now with my chair, I'll now be able to move over and get my second hole in because the chair's held it up for me enough. I can move my chair out of the way. I have it lined up in my anchor. Now that I have it into the anchors, I'm going to finish it off and just make sure that we're all set here with our level attached. So we'll finish off with our other side. We are level. Project complete. Everything with your Mobile Shop tool bag. I'll make sure everything goes back in its appropriate places, and we'll be done.